I build a wall around this heart of mine, never letting no one in. Didn't think I need a friend until now. Feeling this way, won't do. I'm ready to give all of me. The question that I have of you, will he take the things he needs to say, or touch me in a certain way? I told myself just to be strong. One day a man will come along. Oh, where would I go when it's my turn? How will I know that you're the man I'm dreaming of? I hope this time is enough. Where would I do? Where will I go when it's my turn? How will I know that you're the man I'm dreaming of? I hope this time is love. Now you've opened up this heart of mine, made me feel like no one else. Show me there's someone beside myself that I can depend on. Looking back, I finally see exactly what you mean to me. You touch me in a special way. Said all the things you meant to say. I kept my faith and I just hanged on my man. Finally came along. I knew what will I do? Where would I go when it's my turn? How will I know that you're the man? I hope this time is now. What will I do, baby? Where will I go when it's my turn? How will I know? Will I know? Oh, every single day with you, my love is very stronger, it's true. You gave me things I you gave me strength to carry on. 'Cause sometimes I'm afraid to let you in. You